Hi, my name's Jared, just teaching a little bit about what Spirodoodle is all about and some of the features. First of all, this large screen in here is the drawing area. It is a circular drawing area. When you first come into Spirodoodle, it is set at 6 lines. You can go from 1 line all the way up to 30, and you can just select it here, or you can drag your finger along there and select it. This little area here shows you how many lines you've selected. Here's an erase button here, and so this is on 1 line and it's on mirroring. So this button down here is set it at mirrors. So you can see that drawing 1 line will actually mirror what you draw. And then you can change the line thickness right here. Again, you can just touch it, or you can drag your finger along there to select the line thickness that you want. And again, just drawing along there does that. Now without the mirroring on, you'll see that you just draw 1 line. And if you select maybe, let's say at 12 lines here, you'll see that without mirroring on, it just copies your line over and over again in a radial pattern. When you push the mirroring on, you'll see that it also mirrors every line you draw. Another feature is the paint bucket fill. So what you can do is draw some lines and push on the paint bucket. Now this button right here gives me random colors every time I touch the screen, so that makes it fun. I can just touch the screen wherever I want here and get different colors. There's also an undo button here. If I make a mistake, I can click undo, and you'll see the little dots here represent how many undo steps are available. See these little red dots here along the bezel? These show me where the mirroring starts. So you can see if I want to draw a perfect a place where it converges, where the lines converge, I can start at one of those dots. You'll see that if I start away from the dots, then the lines don't converge right there. So any one of those dots, the lines will come together. Right here, these controls are the last colors that I've selected. So the interesting thing about this is I can come and select 6 different colors here, and if I want to just work with those colors, that's all I need to do is select those. And I can turn off the random colors so it doesn't automatically select new colors for me. So now I have a color theme that I can work with. The next thing is this color wheel. There's 2 places to touch on here. Around this outside selects a color hue. And so these are just the basic colors along here. And then on the inside you can touch, and this is the different saturation levels. So the more white is added to the color here, or the more black is added to the color over here. You can go all the way to this side, and you can actually drag it all the way and past the corner, and it will give you that exact hue without any saturation levels. Or you can drag it all the way to the black corner, and past it will give you an exact black color. Or you can drag it all the way to the white corner, it will give you a perfect white color. You can use this for erasing. Another thing you can do is you can fill the whole screen with something like black, and then choose a color, and now your whole background is black. So now, whoops, undo. I'm glad that that feature's there. Turn my paint bucket off. There, now I'm drawing on a black background, and that makes a really cool effect there. Maybe choose a color in the same hue, different saturation, and I can come in and do some color fills. I don't think I like that one. Let's try a different one, maybe more darker. There we go, that's pretty cool. Maybe a different one over here. Different one here. Maybe one like that. Oh, too close to the other one. Undo that. Let's try this one. That's pretty cool. And one right here. There we go. And then I can come back and select some from my previous colors here. Try that one. What's that one? Yeah, that's pretty cool. When you've created a design that you really like, I have a save button over here. So here's my save button. And I can push OK. Now, since I'm running this from the simulator that comes with the Programming Studio Xcode, it doesn't give me options to share with Facebook. But on your device, if you have the newest Facebook loaded, you'll have some options here to save it out to Facebook or to share it with your friends on Facebook. So I'm going to push OK there. It's saved. Now, say I want to go back and work on a previous drawing. There's this button here, Load. So I can come and click on this previous drawing here. Now, I can either load it to the screen, so now it brings it back up, or I can go back and maybe I can save it to the device. I can also delete this picture if I want to. So there. Now, saving to the device means that it is now in my photos. So here's my photo album, and here is my saved photos. Now you'll notice that it's also saved to a Spirodoodle album. That doesn't mean that it's duplicated twice. That just means it's just a separate organization thing, and it's actually saved once to your device and categorized a couple different places. Let's go back to our Spirodoodle. And over in this bottom corner here is some help. So, gives you information about each one of those buttons that we just covered. So those are some of the basic features of Spirodoodle. And, well, actually, it's all of the features of Spirodoodle, but I want to spend some time in some more videos and show you some advanced drawing techniques. So for now, enjoy Spirodoodle. And don't forget to log on to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Spirodoodle, and like it, and share some of your pictures there with us. And also check out Spirodoodle.com. Thank you.